Okay, yesterday we looked at all the relationships that you could find on a circle in terms of one-dimensional measurements of lengths. And let's just go back over these again. For the sake of today, and we're just going to take off the cord because we're not actually going to be working with any of those particular measurements. So we just want to concentrate on these three. The diameter, remember, is in blue. That's the distance across a circle through the center point. The radius is from the center point to a point out on the circle that's halfway, and then the circumference is the same thing as the perimeter or the distance around that circle. And remember yesterday we come up with this graphic organizer that was going to help us remember that a circumference is approximately 3 times the diameter, 3 of those lengths. And a radius, it takes 2 radius or 2 radii to make 1 diameter. So today what we're going to do is we're going to come up with some numbers. What if I told you that the diameter of this circle was 10 inches? So if this diameter is 10 inches, can you tell me what the circumference would be? Lots of different ways we could think about this. You could just say, well, I could go 10, 20, 30. It's about 30. Well, that's true. So let me get my green marker here. So if circumference, I'll go ahead and take my lids off, is approximately 3 times the diameter, and I told you that the diameter was 10, then all I have to do is multiply that by 3, and it's going to give me 30, which is, in this case, is still just going to be in terms of inches because remember, we're just talking about linear measurement, which is one-dimensional. Okay? So if the diameter is 10, then what's the length of the radii? The radius. It would be half of that because remember yesterday we came up that it takes 2 radii to equal 1 diameter. So if that distance 10, that distance is 5. Okay, let's try another one. What is